Meet Austin Abolusoro, a Nigerian entrepreneur trying to bridge the financial inclusion gap in the lending and borrowing space using a digital lending platform called P2Vest Technologies Limited. In 2020, during the COVID-19 pandemic lockdown, Austin, with his co-founder Samuel, was inspired to start up the company to change the way people access credit and lend money using technology.
I have worked in the bank and I have seen a lot of people face problems with accessing credit. And I've seen a lot of things happening already in the technology sector where a number of fintechs are also offering credit. But then I was looking at how to offer credit in a more unique way. And so we decided to set up a platform for peer-to-peer lending.
P2Vest is a digital peer-to-peer financial service platform that not only offers lending solutions but also insurance services. The tech startup wants to make it easy for individuals to access loans and take control of their debt by bringing both parties together on one platform.
We started with offering a lending platform that allows people who need money to come, those are borrowers, to come to our platform, and then those who have money to bring their fund to our platform, and then they can transact. So that's the seamless way and the ease of doing it wasn't existing the way we saw it. We wanted to provide an option for people instead of going to regulated lenders or banks or microfinance organizations. You could actually borrow money from individuals directly and get paid to pay that person without necessarily knowing the person. A platform just offering that. We give that power to the lender. They make the decision. We don't make the decision on their behalf. What we do is we take information, we take the data of the borrower, we score the borrower, we apply different kind of algorithms, and then we come up with a score and tell the lender this is the score of this borrower, and then we actually provide the profile of the borrower to the lender.
But before the transaction gets to that stage, both the borrower and the lender go through multiple checks in a verification system.
This is all technology driven, all right? As we say, we have kind of scoring algorithm which we continue to improve. We check BVN of the borrower, we do address verification, we check the kind of accounts they are presenting, and then we analyze the earnings, the financial data that they provide to us. We somehow also get their data from the banks and analyze it. We look at their average daily balances, their monthly earnings, the regular earnings that they have. Based on all that, we come up with a score. We look at is this person as the person, we check credit bureau also. Is this borrower, is it kind of person that have been borrowing from other people and not paying back? Based on all this information, we make a decision whether you even proceed to get your data to a lender or not.
The COVID-19 pandemic placed a number of startups on the edge, presenting difficult times for their businesses. But for the P2Vest team, the outbreak gave them a nudge.
Starting a business at the COVID time was like a no-no, or was like, a wrong idea. But, today looking back, you find that there are so many businesses that started around that time and are doing very well today, especially technology-driven business. For us, it was an advantage, it was an opportunity because there was no movement. And we were starting a technology business that we need some time to actually develop this platform, because everything we did by ourselves, we developed the app by ourselves. We assembled a team, even though most of us were working remotely with each other, but it gave us that time. There was no point of people are just roaming around the street. People were just sitting in their houses, and then there was enough time to really work. And we come online every day or every other day to review where we were on the project. I think the COVID actually helped us to achieve more mileage in terms of the speed of delivery compared to if it was a time where there were high level of activities and people are engaged in so many things, and then we may not have even achieved as much in terms of the speed. So at that moment, we were able to just engage and fully dedicate our time on developing the app. And then by the time it was ready, we launched September 2020. And especially September 15, 2020, after we've gone through different levels of testing with friends or families and different people, then we launched it to the public.
Even though one major problem the startup is still grappling with is how to compel defaulters to pay back their loans without any hassle, they say they remain committed to helping people take control of their debt, grow their businesses, and invest for the future.